Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Akshay Sapkal and you're watching me on channel Believer. So on this channel we try to share the most valuable information and the interesting topics about the Germany. So today also we really have an interesting topic to discuss about. It is going to be the Chanson card. Many of you are already aware of this concept or not, but in this video I'm gonna try to cover all the necessary information which you guys must know before applying to the Chanson card. So let's get started. Now let us try to understand why Germany has come up with such a plan. So in the year of 2022, there were approximately 1.98 million job opportunities were there in the market, but they did not have the right person or people to fulfill those opportunities. Therefore, German government has recently announced that there'll be a new visa system for the Germany in the form of Chanson card. So Chanson card is nothing but the point-based system which are already or successfully running in countries like Australia and Canada. So it's really a great news for the people who really wish to relocate to the Germany and start their career or maybe try to settle down here. So let us deep dive into the same topic and understand how it is going to be helpful for you all. Now let us try to understand what is Chanson card and who can apply for this Chanson card. So a person who really have a experience or maybe the industry experience back in their home country but could not able to secure the valid or the right job opportunity from the German market. So this is your path now, guys. With this new visa processing system, you will be able to move to the Germany. So Chanson card is going to be the point-based system, depending on the various factors. But well, now let us try to understand how this point-based system is going to work. So in this system they are going to gauge or give you the points based on your qualification, based on your age, based on your language proficiency, based on the number of years of experience you have, based on the number of visits you have given to the Germany. So now let us try to deep dive into this topic and let us try to understand how much point is going to given to each section. Alright, so for the qualification you are going to get up to the 6 points here. So based on your degree, based on your state, based on your country, if your degree is recognized here in Germany, the German system or the point system will allocate you the points which are up to the 6, I think, which is really great here, because the 6 points you really required to qualify for this Chanson card. So I think even if you have a good degree back in your home country, then this is your golden chance to move to the Germany. Alright, so for your experience you are going to get up to 3 points here. So the more number of years experience you have back in your home country, the more points you secure. So if I do the sum here, if you have a good degree you get up to 6 points, and if you have a good industry experience you get up to 3 points. So altogether your score is so far 9 points. So for your age here you are going to get up to 2 points if you are below 35, but if you are more than 35 and below 40 you will get 1 point here, I think, which is still fine and good because we cannot help it out here, but we can score in other parameters. So let us understand and try to see what are those. So this point-based system is going to be applied here in the year of 2024. So I believe you guys still have many months to go. In this free time you guys can start learning or emphasizing your German language skill. So the more you have a good German language skill with the certificate, the more points you secure here. So here you get up to 3 points for your language. So now I'm going to talk about 2 bonus points here. So if you're a person who already paid a visit to Germany and stayed here for more or less 6 months or up to 6 months, you secure 1 point for that, and 1 bumper if you have a +1 with you, or maybe your spouse qualifies with the same requirement, then you also get 1 more point for that. So here we have a 2 bonus points. So I think which is really great. Now, so as I have told you earlier, the minimum requirement is going to be the 6 points, which is really quite reasonable. With lot of 2 or with the minimum of 2 or 3 parameters, you can easily secure the 6 points here. But the catch is here, the German government has decided to issue the limited quantity of this Chanson card. So make sure you emphasize on your profile, you really work hard on your profile and try to gain the points, the maximum points. Also, one important thing here, so even if you get the Chanson card, for sure you will be able to be here in Germany, but you also have to show your funding for the entire 1 year, which is somewhere close to 10,000 euros or 11,000 euros. I do not have the exact amount here available with me, but as soon as I have the details, I will make another YouTube video on the same topic, and more or less you guys will be able to work here as a part-time for 20 hours per week with this new Chanson card opportunity. So I think which is really a great initiative from the government, that instead of just spending and spending, you guys will also have an opportunity to earn here by doing some basic part-time jobs. And if you guys want to know more about the part-time jobs, please here look in the chat or maybe on your screen. There will be a window which can take you to the another link of my YouTube video, wherein I have tried to cover the basic and easy part-time jobs which are available here in Germany. So if you guys have liked this video, please do let me know in the comment section, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, auf Wiedersehen. Last but not least, you guys also have to show the confirmation of your accommodation for entire year. I think this is really going to be the stressful, but trust me, it is relatively easy to find an apartment here. We also have a lot of websites available for you guys. I will make another video how to find an apartment here in Germany, and I will try to cover all the relatively important topics in that video. But in this video, that's all from my side. And if you guys have liked this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know in the comment section how did you find this video. So until then, auf Wiedersehen.